Hello everyone, welcome to Anthropology. Today we are going to solve another previous year UGCNET Anthropology paper. So first question of today is, an extensive study on magic among human societies was done by 4 option. Right option is James Fraser. Next, the central reference point from which all relationships can be traced on a genealogical diagram is 4 option ID, centrum, ego, superego, and the right option is ego. B is the correct option. And who give the concept of genealogy? W.H.R. Rivers. Okay. Next, 3. Social organization according to Radcliffe Brown refers to the 4 option roles, status, groups, association. So here right option is roles. Next, 4. Those aspects of society that are considered ordinary, having no special religious significance, is known as profane, secular, sacred, spiritual. So, which would be the right answer? Profane. A is the correct option. Next, Alzheimer's disease leads to malnutrition, diabetes, cancer, dementia. Right option is dementia. Next, race refers to a cultural category, non-biological reality, a classification which is arbitrary, and D, all the above. So, right option is all 3 correct, so all the above. Next, among the living apes, the genetically closest to human is gorilla, chimpanzee, orangutan, or gibbon. So, chimpanzee is the right option. Next, 8. A statistical technique showing relationship between 2 variables. 4 option regression, correlation, standard deviation, standard error. So right option is correlation. It represents relationship between 2 variables. Next, Pleistocene boundary is determined by the presence of Villafranchian fauna. These fauna include species of apes, species of lupus, species of bos, species of dinosaurs. So which would be the correct answer? Species of bos. Okay, C is the right option. Next, prehistoric art is found all through the Upper Paleolithic period. This art, best exemplified by the site, is known as Combec Grinnell, Altamira, Logarihate, Parpello. So, Altamira is the right option. B is the correct option. Okay. And Upper Paleolithic culture is also known as osteodontocheratic culture. Osteodontocheratic culture. Okay. Osteobones. Donto means teeth. Keratic means keratin. So during this culture, all instruments were made by all 3 components. Next, cultural variability is a function of physical feature of a country, adaptability of the people, technological differences, cultural similarities. So here, right option is C. 1, 2, 3 are correct. 12. Quantitative research aims at to quantify variation, to predict causal relationship, to describe characteristics of a population, to describe an individual's experience. So here, right option is 1, 2, 3 means B is the correct option. Next, 13. Which among the following are considered as property among the most vulnerable tribal groups? Land, cattle, tool and implements, precious metal ornaments. So here, right option is D. 1, 2, 3 is correct. Next, 14. The 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution is applicable to the areas in the following states. 4 option Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Jharkhand. So, right option is B. Jharkhand is not included in it. So, Assam, Meghalaya and Tripura is correct. Next, 15. Which of the following pair is correctly matched? So here right option is B. RH blood group associated with Karl Landsteiner and A.S. Wiener. Next, 16. Which pair is not matched, is not correctly matched? Okay, not. So hemophilia sex linked, right? Okay. Sickle cell autosomal dominant, wrong. It is autosomal recessive. Okay. And 17 and CD also correct. Next, 17. Racial classification of world population was given by 4 option. Risley, Shock, Guha, none of the above. So Risley is right. Next, 18. Tertiary period includes 4 option: Miocene, Pliocene, B. Oligocene, Paleocene, C. Pliocene, Miocene, Oligocene, Eocene, Paleocene, D. Eocene, Miocene. So here, right option is C. C. Okay. Next, 19. Most important question. Fire for cooking was used for the first time by Homo neanderthalensis, Pithecanthropus erectus, Homo sapiens sapiens, Sinanthropus canadensis. So here B is correct answer, Pithecanthropus erectus. Next, remains of the lower Paleolithic culture in India are found at 4 option: Langnach, Nabdatoli, Borjaham, Atirampakkam. So Atirampakkam, D is correct. 21. Assertion: emic approach in anthropological research is useful to trace out the insider's view on the research problem, and reason is it helps the anthropologist to give semantic explanation about the research problem from people's perspective. So here both are correct and R is correct explanation of A. Next, 22. Assertion is little community is characterized by subsistence economy. Reason: such a community satisfies all needs of its member from birth to death. So both are correct and R is correct explanation of A. Next, 23. Assertion is divination is done to foresee future events or uncover the causes of past events. It is correct. Human beings often attempt to control the forces of the universe. This is also correct. And both correct. And R is correct explanation of A. Okay. Next. Next is 24. Another assertion. Despite various developmental programs made for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, majority amongst them are socio-economically backward. It's correct. Fruits of developmental programs have not reached the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe communities as desired by the planners. Okay, so this is also correct. Both are correct. Both correct. Okay, next. 25th. A. Assertion. In sickle cell anemia, glutamic acid in the beta chain is replaced by valine. Okay. Mark this sentence. Very important. This is correct. And next one, reason. Sickle cell hemoglobin is caused by a point mutation. It's also correct. Okay. And R is the correct explanation of A. Next, 26. Assertion. Racism is a biological concept. Reason. Racism leads to prejudice. So, biological concept not. This is right. Okay. So, D is the correct option. Next, 27. Molecular anthropology is one of the evolving subfield of biological anthropology. Right. Development in molecular anthropology is due to the advancement in the Human Genome Project, right? And R is the correct explanation of A. Okay. Next, 28. Habitual erect posture and bipedalism are exclusive human traits. Reason. There were major anatomical change in the human skeleton during the courses of evolution. Okay, so both correct and R is correct explanation of A. Next 29. Assertion. It was due to technological advancement that Neolithic men were able to produce their food. Reason: food production led to an available surplus to maintain a larger population. So here both correct. Okay. Next 30. Another assertion. Microliths were manufactured by fluting technique during Mesolithic culture. Right? Or microliths were used to make composite tools because they were able to economize raw materials. Right? But R is not correct explanation of A. Okay. 31. Identify the correct sequence of development of theories in cultural anthropology. 4 option. And the right sequence is multilinear cultural evolution, universal cultural evolution, unilinear cultural evolution. Here right option is B. Unilinear, universal, multilinear. Okay. Next 32. 32 is another correct sequence. So here identify the correct developmental sequence of economic pursuits among the following categories. 4 option, and the right option is hunting gathering, then fishing, pastoralism, and last one is cultivation. So C is the correct option. Next 33. Robert Redfield's concept of 4-carbon continuum is based on his study of 4 communities: a city, a town, a peasant society, and the folk or simple society. Identify these 4 communities and arrange them in correct sequence to depict the 4-carbon continuum. So here right option is option D. Marida, Distas, Taski, Chankam. Next 34. Identify the correct instrumental sequence as per Malinowski. 34. Right option is A. Object, technique, cooperation or tradition, context of situation. Next 35. Arrange the following in the ascending order as far as the development of evolutionary thought is concerned. 4 option, and the correct option is C. Buffon, Baptiste, Darwin, Stebbins. Okay, next identify the correct evolutionary sequence of the following fossil hominids. 4 option. Right option is A. Australopithecus africanus, Java man, Neanderthal man, Grimaldi. Okay, important question. Next 37. Identify the correct sequence of the following geneticists chronologically according to their contribution. So right option is B. Gregor Mendel, Sutton, Morgan, Watson, and Crick. Okay. 38. Identify the correct sequence of cell components in the ascending order of their occurrence. So right option is A. Gene, chromosome, nucleus, cytoplasm. Next 39. Which one of the following pair is correctly matched? 4 option. And right option is B. Earliest Harappan site, Mehergarh. Okay. Homo habilis also called handyman. Just note down. Homo habilis also called handyman. Okay. And here right option is B. Next, arrange the following lithic tools types in their correct sequence of appearance. Point, chopper, cleaver, burin. So right option is option number A, chopper, point, burin, cleaver. Okay, next. 41. Match the following. So here we match the following. Here virilocal equal to husband's family. Okay, husband's parents. The aftermath is the couple settle with husband's mother's brother. Husband's mother brother is avunculocal. Okay, so C is related to 4. Okay, one virilocal is related to husband's parents. 2. B auxililocal is wife's parents. Ambilocal is either. Okay, so here question number 41, correct option is A. Next, 42. Match the following. Here Abraham Gardner associated with basic personality structure. Okay, E.B. Tyler give the concept of culture in his book Pattern of Culture. Okay, 1871. Next question, next option, Julian Stewart associated with cultural ecology. Okay, and next option is Ruth Benedict, Pattern of Culture. Okay, 43. Match the following. Here D.N. Mozumdar, Bongaism, Durkheim, Totemism, Durkheim, Marett, Animism, Tyler, Animism. So here 43B is the correct option. 44. Another match the following. Unicentric authority system related to the Nuer. Kin-based related to Hopi Indians. Non-kin-based Pablo people. Village council authority Bushman. So here right option is B. 44B. Next 45. Another match the following. So here classification of Indian people given by Boyd. Ethnic group term coined by here option is separate, but originally ethnic group term coined by David Reisman. Okay, just note it down. David Reisman. Okay, and the classification of race by blood group. Okay, blood group based racial classification is Boyd. Okay, classification of Indian people Shorkar. Okay, just correct the answer. First of all, this term ethnic group given by David Reisman. Reisman originally. Okay. Classification of Indian people given by Shorkar. Racial classification based on blood given by Boyd. Okay. Origin of race given by Kuhn. But according to this option here, ethnic group given by Ashley Montego. But originally David Reisman. Okay, just note it down for future use. Okay. Next, 46. Match the following. Here, right option is A. Next, 47. 47. Baboon, Hanuman langurs, orangutan lemur, and for another options. So here, match the following. The right option is A. 47A. Next, 48. Homo habilis, Australopithecus, Gigantopithecus, Javaman, and match with the discoverer. Here, right option is C. Next, 49. For options. So, first book, Man Makes Himself, given by Gordon Child. Old Stone Age, related to Barkit. Stone Age tool, H.D. Shankalia. People of the Earth, Fagan. Okay, so right option is C. And the last question of today. Arrange the following ceramic types in chronological order of their occurrence: Jorvi, Malwa, painted grey, northern black, polished ware. So here A is the right option. A is the right option. So that's for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel Anthrazone.